Hey everyone, this guy is going to take us all the way to paradise. We are going to do the painkiller today because it's still winter in the Midwest and I need something tropical and I think you do too. So today, this is going to be a shaken cocktail. You're going to need your shaker tin. You're going to need your jigger to make sure that we are accurately measuring everything. We're going to need our Hawthorne strainer as well as our mesh strainer because we will be using fresh juice today. So this one, we are going to be needing orange juice, which you should be juicing fresh, just like you do with your lemon or your lime juice in any of our other cocktails. We're going to use pineapple juice, some cream of coconut, as well as your favorite brand of white rum. And then for the garnish, it's just going to get a nice little dusting of nutmeg. As always, the ingredient list is listed below, so that way you can build the cocktail along with me. Half an ounce of orange juice. Ooh, that was almost the exact amount I needed. Look at me go. Then we are going to do 1 full ounce of pineapple juice. Then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of your cream of coconut. I'm genuinely shocked that this is actually coming out for me because it never does. Ah, so close, so close. Ha, okay, we finally made it. Now let's see if it'll come out. If need be, you can always get your mixing spoon and give it a little assistance. Mine is a little on the colder side, so it is just sticking to absolutely everything. And then we have 2 ounces of your favorite white rum. Fill that shaker tin all the way up to the top with ice. And shake away. I did give that one just a little bit longer just because of that cream of coconut. It sticks to absolutely everything, so I wanted to make sure that it was nice and mixed in. We are going to be putting this in a Collins glass today, so we are going to put ice in this. About halfway, give or take. We have our Hawthorne strainer as well as our mesh strainer. Oh yeah, she's going to be beautiful and frothy. And of course, that cream of coconut is going to be a little bit thicker, so just keep that in mind. Add just a little bit more ice. This glass is a little taller than the glass I used last time. This is definitely one you'll want to use with a straw. And then for our garnish, a light dusting of nutmeg. And there she is, the painkiller that's sure to take everything you're dealing with in the Midwest out of the equation. All right, guys, don't forget, if you enjoy the cocktails, make sure you like, subscribe, share. I want to hear what you guys are thinking and if you're making the cocktails. And if you are, let me know if you're having any issues because I'd love to help. So until the next pour, cheers.